welcome back to another big back unboxing. Hello, we got some potatoes for you today. It's gonna be a two-part series. This is part one, and then you'll see what's in part two, so go ahead and check out that video. Anyways, let's get into it. This is what the box looks like right here. This is what they look like. They're all cute, but I really want this. I want this one right here. This is what I'm chasing for. Let's get into it. Oh shit. Did I get it? I got it, a couch potato. And that's who? That's me. Next, get into this one. I only got 60 seconds, so I'm trying to hurry that. Ah, so cute. Next. Oh, another one.